So I'm going to be testing out some ND filters designed specifically for the DJI Action 4. And these ones actually replace the grass protector that you have on your camera. So what is the point, I hear you ask, of an ND filter on an action camera? Well, in order to get the correct exposure, especially on sunny days like today, the shutter for every single frame is only open for a very, very small amount of time. And that results in a very sharp frame. And so when every single frame of your video is extremely sharp, it actually makes it look kind of shuddery and not very realistic compared to normal motion blur that the human eye picks up. So when you put on an ND filter, it acts as a pair of sunglasses for the camera, and in turn that lowers the shutter speed. If you think about traditional camera, how it exposes film, the longer an image is exposed for, the more motion blur you'll see. So it makes it more pleasing to the eye. Now, let's try it out so you can see what I mean. So this is in its stock orientation, the stock lens, and let's just have a little cycle down here so you can see the difference. Now we're going to apply the ND filter. So as you can see, it comes in a lovely little box with a cloth and screw on the side here. This screws directly into your camera, like so. Well, let's see what difference that makes. So with the ND filter applied, let's see the difference. So as you can see, the motion is shown a lot better because the shutter speed is reduced. So comparing the two together, you can see clearly the difference in motion blur between them. Now we're going to put on the ND64, see how that does. So by applying the ND filter, in this scenario, you actually get a softening of the moving water. Let's see how that compares. And now let's take this off so it's back to standard. So as we can see, it definitely looks different, but I think we need to compare them both together to really see the difference. So as you can see on the left, we've got the ND64, on the right the original lens. There is a difference.